Hello, smart kids! Welcome to the Smart Sprouts channel. Get your notebooks and pens ready and sit down in front of the screen. Today we will learn the numbers 8, 9, and 10 with you. Are you ready? Where did we start?
Hello. Let's count and drag the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Wow! Let's build numbers. 8. Great! Let's count and drag the numbers. 8. Good one. Let's build the puzzle. 8. Smart. Let's learn to write the numbers. Try again. 8. Nice. Let's learn to write the numbers. 8. Nice. Let's learn to write the numbers. 8. Great. Good job. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Let's count and drag the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Nice. Let's build numbers. 9. Smart. Let's count and drag the numbers. 9. Nice. Let's build the puzzle. 9. Wow! Let's learn to write the numbers. 9. Wow! Let's learn to write the numbers. 9. Good one. Let's learn to write the numbers. Try again. 9. Great. Wow. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. Let's count and drag the numbers. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Wow! Let's build numbers. 10. Good one. Let's count and drag the numbers. 10. Wow! Let's build the puzzle. 10. Good job. Let's fill the baskets with fruit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good one. Let's fill the baskets with fruit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try again. 9, 10. Wow! Let's count the butterflies. 7. Good job. Let's count the bees. 9. Wow! Let's count the ladybugs. 8. Good one. Well done.
Smart kids! If you liked the video lesson, click like and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next video lessons. You are very smart kids!